Hey everybody, Greg with the Fix My Bleep channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. So this is going to be a quick unboxing of the Triton. This is a Dolphin pool cleaning robot. It's made by Maytronics. Should be pretty cool. Let's check it out. So just taking a quick look at the box here. This product's actually made in Israel. It's a Maytronics robot pool cleaner. It's a Dolphin product. This is the Triton PS. It says it'll work in water temperatures 43 degrees to 95 degrees. It's pretty impressive. Alright, let's begin the actual unboxing of the Dolphin Triton pool robot. Here we go. Owner's manual right on top. Actual controller has everything in the box. Plastic off of our robot here. Okay, so here's our robot, owner's manual, and our controller. Owner's manual, our controller, and our pool robot. And that is everything that comes in the box when you order the Dolphin Triton PS. Thanks so much for joining me today. Be sure and like and subscribe so you don't miss out on the full-on review of this pool robot. That should be coming up soon. Also check out these other videos I've got going on, and I'll catch you guys later.